Now, I would like to invite CA Ashok Sharma to present his use case.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you're audible, but a little low. You can, yeah, put your mic.
Hold this.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Uh, Good afternoon to the respected jury members and my fellow panelists. Before I start, I want to acknowledge the efforts made by ICI in incorporating AI. Actually, if you see ICI, there is AI, but I think this is the only and the pioneering institute which has actually making efforts in doing in incorporating AI in the life of professionals like us. I always had this, uh, you know, that as a CA we are restricted to just provisions and all. But so this is very good, and I'm really happy for that. So let me just start my tool. It's a simple tool. Right. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, sir. So being a chartered accountant, we often come across the reconciliation of ITC with books and with the portal. So I am not here. I'm not just demonstrating the app, but I'm also demonstrating how to create that app. So this is my prompt that I have created using AI ChatGPT basically. So this is after a few iterations, I got this uh, prompt and it is working wonderful for me. So let me just select the prompt. As we all know that Cloud is very good when we are like doing something related to code and all. So we'll just paste the prompt here and we'll wait for few seconds. As you can see, the Cloud is doing the job for me. While this is like preparing the app, let me just tell you that these apps is not like that I have prepared for the presentation, but I'm using in my day-to-day life. All my staffs and articles are using these apps, and they all are like making our life easy. I think it will take one minute of time.
Sir, if Zoom chart window is open on your screen, you can close that. That that part of the area is not getting visible.
Okay, okay. Is it okay now, sir?
Oh, it is still there, but okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's gone now.
Okay. Basically, I believe in simplicity, so I want that every CA can prepare or create such tools, whatever they like. I have prepared for ITC reconciliation, but likewise, you can create for formatting of for NC or for creating certificates or for creating any MRL like that. This can be used in various cases. One can be like segregation of data from the bank statement in different heads and like that we often do while we audit the bank statement. It's not done yet. I have to continue. It will take another 1 minute of time, I think. And that will be the final functional version of it. I have incorporated few things like I have incorporated the password thing so that it cannot be used beyond my office. I have also incorporated the template so that there will be no problem while creating the files. So as we can see, the app is ready now. It will provide us the first password. Okay, this is CA@123. So let me just download the HTML. So here is our app. So this is our app. I mean, like you all, I haven't seen this before. I mean, particularly this app and this interface. This is created in front of you all. So what we can do here, we can download the GSTR template and book template for books of account and for GST portal data. We can save the template here. So now we can simply put some data into it to see how it works. I have this demo data. So now both of our template are ready. We can simply upload the file over here. So you can see the summary is already generated over here. We can see over here in the user interface itself, but also we can export the PDF report and the Excel report, and we can simply send the report directly to the our client so that he can follow up with his suppliers and all. So this is the report. So first of all, we have the summary thing, and then we have the detailed thing matched, missing in the books, missing in the GST. Basically, I want that details only, so I kept it simple. So these are the thing, and we can simply share this detail with our client for further like thing. So this was my use case. I hope you liked it.
Yeah, Ashok Sharma, that's a very nice use case. May I know, do you think this model will sustain for a large data set,
Yes, yes, sir.
running
Yes, sir.
into many hundred lines of code?
Yes, sir. For the convenience only, I have used a little bit of data. Actually I knew I'm just demonstrating, not just demonstrating the app, even I'm creating the app. So I kept the data low, but I have tried. In fact, I'm using this in my day-to-day life. We have recently we have done the all year-round data, over 5,000 entries and all, and it's doing perfectly.
Nice, nice. Over to you, Kumar Venkatesh, if you have any questions.
So you have developed this application using the HTML code, right?
Yes, yes, sir. In front of you only.
Yeah. So, uh, can you show to the audience what kind of prompt you have given?
Yes, 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 yes. So definitely, definitely. And one thing I also want to mention over here is that I am not paying a single penny to any tool for using any tool. This is my this code is free, and in front of you only I have like this is the this is the prompt, and it's a simple prompt.
Okay.
In fact I have uh, polished the prompt using ChatGPT only. And
Okay.
I asked ChatGPT that I want to create an app using Claude. So accordingly, it polished the prompt, and here it is.
Okay. Uh, does the Claude is having access to the files that you are going to upload
No,
after
no,
filling
no,
the
no,
data?
no, 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 sir.
How did
This
you ensure that?
I tell you, you let me just close the Claude, and in fact, I don't even need the internet. I can show you, but it's not
Yeah.
possible for me.
Yeah.
But you see, this is the file, now. So this file is in my laptop only, so I can use it anywhere and everywhere without even. In fact, I don't even need the internet. I have tried many times.
Okay.
Uh,
Because sometimes if we are giving the folder paths to Claude and all without
yes,
our
yes,
permission, sometimes it will be accessing this folder
yes,
which you are showing now.
yes.
So maybe.
But we can. It's like we can open it to a different browser.
Mhm.
Like uh, it's just a tool, and it will work with any browser or like anything.
Okay.
Yeah, here it is. You can see.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Correct. 2, 3. So you see, there is no data of the previous entry. It's completely like free, and we can obviously clear the data here also. So that is my use case.
Okay. Thank you, Ashok.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you to other jury members also and fellow panelists. Thank you all.
Now